Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristin, if anybody knows you, they know that you like to bring the outdoors in and make something beautiful, but a lot of times you do that with adding some embellishments like a bow.
Yeah, a bow can really take it up a notch and add, a sense of seasonal touch to it. So we're going to be making a holiday bow for the season. So if you're adding it to fruit baskets or any kind of gift bag or simply like a wrapped gift, this would be something that you can make at home. It's really easy to do, and I really enjoy it. So that's why we're going to talk a little bit first off about the different ribbons that you can choose from, and then show people at home how to make a bow for later to use on in the season. So there's a lot of different colors and sizes of ribbons that are available. Some people might like it more on the traditional side, and then other people might want to go towards like maybe something that's a little bit different, just kind of unique. But you can see we have the traditional reds, and we have, something like blacks and golds and a lot of glitter. So just be careful when you're working with the bows that you don't get it all over you, because it's really easy to do. So there's different bows that you can have indoors and outdoors. You just kind of have to want to look at the bolts of ribbon. This is what all the ribbon really comes on, is a bolt of ribbon. So just kind of look. Most of the time, my secret on making bows, especially for those wrap gifts and things like that, is to make sure that the bow has plenty of wire to it, because it's really moldable, it's bendable. You can kind of shape it how you want to. So just kind of keep that in mind.
So let me ask something, Kristin. All these are about the same width. Do they have to be this wide, or can they be?
They actually can be smaller. Okay. So most of the time we're dealing with number 40s. So that means that's the actual, it's kind of the industry standard. But there's 9s that are smaller than this. And then usually for corsages and other things, they use a 1.5 to number 3 ribbon. So you can have some a little bit smaller, and that just depends on what you're wanting to attach it to.
Gotcha. Do the smaller ones have the wire in them as well?
Yeah.
So you could use
it?
Okay.
And there's even satin bows. Some people say satin's a little bit easier, but I find it easier when you've got some bows that actually have the wire in them.
Okay.
So, but anyway, I'm going to show people this morning that are watching the Farm and Home Show how to make a bow. So this one's got about 30 feet on it, so you could probably make a couple of different bows on it. But I like to have the streamers. So what I'm going to do is kind of turn it as we make it. So right now I'm going to make my streamers probably about that size. You want it equal on both sides, but basically what you're going to do is take both your fingers here and just kind of pinch it in the center, and then basically what you're going to do is make your loops first.
Okay.
So you're going to make this loop on this side, and you want to turn this, Joanna, so you're going to just simply turn it and on that side, and you want to make the loop on the alternate side about the same. So if you need to move that out of the way, the streamer, just to kind of see for size. So basically what you're going to do is after you've twisted it underneath where it's on the pretty side, you're going to make that next loop a little bit longer, and then you're going to do the same on this side. Now this takes a lot of practice, so if the first bow that you make doesn't really turn out that good, go ahead and just practice. So anyway, here's the third loop going on that side.
And you just keep on making it a little bit longer each time?
Yeah, just a little bit longer each time, and like I said, just make sure you've got the pretty side facing upwards. But the wire really does help kind of mold that shape of that bow. So anyway, this is my 4th loop on this other side. I'm going to do one more on this side. 5 is, odd numbers are better than even. So I'm going to make sure I get this side and then this side. Okay. And then, again, you want to leave some room for that streamer. So I've kind of sized it up here just for... Now the next part you want to do is you're just going to tie this. You can use pipe cleaners. I've got green floral wire here. But what you're going to do is just twist this.
And that's just going to hold it together?
It's going to hold it together. And then basically, Joanna, you're just going to start pulling. So I'm going to leave this one in the center, but I'm going to pull this one next to it down. And the next one following it's going to be up, down, and then up. And then I'm just going to go over here to this side. And if you want to, you can leave it in the center, or if you want to go up and down, up and down, up and down. But basically, there is your bow. Now, whatever you attach it to, you can fluff it a little bit more, the loops, if you want to. Attach it to any swags, wreaths. Like I said, it's great on all the holiday gifts this season.
Absolutely, or even your Christmas tree, right? They can go anywhere.
Yeah.
So appreciate you bringing this. If you have questions about how to add holiday cheer throughout the season, please make sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.